What's up, everybody? My name is Jessie Simmons. So today I'm going to share a video of how basically what is my pre-poo. So this is my hair right now. So my hair type is 3C4A. So I'm just showing you guys my hair. So my pre-poo is a smoothie that I make with banana, any conditioner, coconut oil, castor oil, and I put some honey in there as well. You don't really need to section your hair. I mean, you can if you want to. I don't know what I was really trying to do there, but anyways, I just put it all over my hair. I focus on my ends, really. I do my ends first, and then I put it all the rest of the hair, and I also put in my roots too. I have a lot of detangling to do because my hair has been in bun for at least 2 weeks. So this treatment really just gives life to my hair. So my hair is super soft and it defines the curls too. I'm basically detangling as I go, so I'm going to leave this treatment in for a couple of hours before I wash it out. This is what my hair texture looks like with the treatment. So I'm just making sure that my hair is detangled before I wash it out later. So that's it for the pre-poo treatment. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.